Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video, we are going to find the solutions of this is chapter ellipse, fourth, fourth chapter of second year Maths B. So in this video, we are going to find the solutions of exercise 4A section 1. Okay, so there are section 1, 8 questions are there. These 8 questions we will solve in this exercise. Okay, now starting with the first question here. So students here, before starting to the exercise, we'll do some like important points that we have to remember to do exercise. So like introduction, you will think that this is introduction. So what is ellipse and everything is there here. So here in your textbook 132 page number, so you go through there in the Telugu Academy textbook, you will find their definition 4.1.1. You will please read that one. You will get the ellipse definition, and after that 4.1.2. So 4.1.2 ellipse in the standard form. In the standard ellipse in the standard form is what here uh, this is standard form. I am writing here x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is a standard form. So we'll discuss in this later. So but there is diagram is given, we'll draw the diagram so to check out some important points there. Okay, so here one point is there like so like I'm drawing like this diagram is given in the like 132 page number na. So this the diagram we are writing here, I'm writing here, I'm like I'm drawing here. So C1, that's one, this is x and this is x is given, so this is x dash here. Okay, this is x dash is given. Now here this is ellipse is given here. Sorry, I'm writing like okay, this is I will write again so neatly. So here ellipse is there na, so this ellipse I'm writing like this. Okay, so I think it's good. Here some important line draw here. So one directrix here and other directrix here is two directrix are there here. Okay, so here Z. Okay, na? So here some P point is there. So from here to here it is M, and here to here N. Okay, so this is a point here. This is one point here, and this is S. We think that this is S dash. Okay, that on the ellipse, like this is the center of ellipse here. So it is given in the like textbook only. Please go through there that textbook. Please watch this one. So here B dash. Okay. Now this is A here. This is A here. Here A dash. Okay. A dash. This is Z dash. Here this is Z. This is Z dash. So this total is given here. So here this is one. This is above this one Y, and this is Y dash here is given. So this is standard form of ellipse. Okay, this is standard form of ellipse. We are going to find the solutions of 4a with this standard form only. So here in the textbook only you see there like this is one line is drawn from there na, so that line is like here. Okay, this is straight line. It is m dash is here, from this here it is m. Okay, m dash, this is perpendicular to this directrix. Okay, so we'll check all this while doing the solutions. So this is directrix is given here. This is like here one we can say that one point, and this is P as a point on the ellipse. Okay, so two points on this equal distance here. Okay, equal distance will be there. So from here to here equal, and here to here equal also they will be there. So here to here and here to here equal, like equal distances will be there. So we'll discuss some important terms here. So that is like focus. Focus has to be there na, for this one. So that focus is given in this exercise. See in the 132 page number, there you will find that focus is given in the last coordinates of focus. S is S is A E comma 0. So E is a eccentricity. E is a eccentricity is given in the like ellipse definition. Eccentricity city. So this one eccentricity is given here, that is E, AE. So eccentricity means here E distance will think that oh, then formula is there, one that formula 133 page number. So you go through the 133 page number, you will find the last is that where you will find means, so B square is equal to some there na, B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square nena. So in this you will find e. So that's I will how I will do again. And again you will find sp is equal to e into pm. E into pm also we will find this in the last, like where you will find therefore is in a second, therefore at the like sp is equal to e into pm. So this pm, where is the pm? So this is perpendicular to this directrix pm. Okay, that is pm. E is a eccentricity of this one, like distance, like sp distance is equal to E into PM. So this is a formula, one formula where you will come here eccentricity of this between these two things, like SP and equal to this is E into PM, like this we think that. So at eccentricity we can say that this is a eccentricity, okay, this area, like this area, okay, E. Now here SP is equal to E into PM. So this is a formula, one formula we have to buy, we have to find here, we have to take this as with the standard form. Whenever you will get the standard form, if you have to find the some anything, SP is the distance between the S and P. So these two things here, S and P. Okay, distance between the P. And here PM is P is the point where it is perpendicular to M directrix. Directrix is here there na. So this directrix को ये perpendicular है. So if this is a perpendicular form will come here, and this is the distance form will come here. Now focus is AE comma 0 we got here again. So or anything directrix equation is there. Directrix equation is there. One thing that x is equal to A by E. So this is also one equation here given in this one only. So again some important points here we have to know before we doing the exercise here. So here one page number 135. Page number 135 in your textbook, page number 135, you will go there and check once. There is given a major axis and minor axis is given. So major axis is 2a and minor axis is also given. Minor axis is also what? 2b. So these you have to remember. Minus axis, major axis is 2a, minor axis is 2b. So these two values you have to remember here. So from this standard form of like ellipse. Okay. So in the standard form of ellipse only, in the 133 page number only, so you will find there in the standard form of like equation of ellipse in the standard form, that is up to here 133 page, 132 page to 133 page, the total solution is given here. So where we have b square is equal to, so I'll a square into 1 minus e square is there na. So this is we, if any case we have to find the b values, we have to take this formula, we have to use the a value and e value. So if in given in the questions, so that eccentricity is if given to e, so a value if given to we have to find a value, so our a value given to we have to submit in this value and we get the b value. So this is up to the like what we can say here, like ellipse introduction here, some points here. Okay, we'll go for the another introduction here, that is 4.1.3 is there. What is that? Nature of the curve. Nature of curve. So in this, you please check out those points. One point, so here AA dash, that is a major axis. AA dash is given is equal to 2A. So please this type of check and study. Please these values you study and write you once. You will get the easily. So second point and third point and fourth point. Please check those one. Fifth point. Fifth point is there? Yes. In the 135 page up to. So these 5 points, please check once. Okay, so what is S, S dash, A dash, B dash, what are this Y is equal to B, A is equal to B, X is equal to A. So all is given in this this process only. 4.1.3, the nature of the curve. Okay, so after that definition is of major axis and minor axis is also given in the 4.1.4. 4.1.4 in that the given like major axis and minor axis also. Please that practice that also. And after that very important 4.1.5, there you will find various forms of ellipses. Like first form is what? The standard form here, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The where the condition is a greater than b greater than 0. Okay, so this is the diagram also given in the right side. You please check that one diagram. So please practice this a dash and s dash. Focus s is equal to. So this is standard form of the lin standard form of the equation of ellipse. So you will find there though the length of major axis, minor axis. You will all find those things at the center 0 comma 0. So again, one thing I forgot to told that C center 0 comma 0 is the standard form. Okay, so please remind this also. Okay, now my dear students. So and here our second point is the second ellipse is there, that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So wherever 0 and less than a less than b, here there na. So if you have this type of equation, so given that major axis minor axis all are given. Okay, so please practice those also. It will also useful for your MCET exams and IIT. So you anyone want to write IIT like IIT JEE mains, so they will also get benefit from if you do this as a practice for like rigorous. So you will get easily from this. You will get questions and you can solve easily like if any question from this one. Okay, and here and third one is there na. So third one also there. So x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square divided by what is that, a square plus y minus k whole square divided by what is given, that b square is equal to 1. So the conditions also here given, a greater than b greater than 0. So that figure is also given in the textbook 136 page number. So you'll go through there and check once. Here also fourth formula is also given here. Fourth x minus h whole square divided by a square plus y minus k whole square divided by b square is equal to 1. The conditions here important, 0 greater than, sorry, 0 less than a less than b here. So these conditions are very very important. Then only you can solve the problems easily. Okay na? So again is given here like in the 4.1.7th page number, like sorry, in the like this is definitions is given here, definitions. Okay, in this definitions is given like what is a chord. Okay, so chord क्या है. So यहाँ पे focal chord क्या है, like focal chord anti-inti. So the one is, so here he given the total, and latus rectum also is given, latus rectum. So this is I want to tell you. So I will tell you now only. So latus rectum. Okay, so an ellipse has two latus rectus. So here latus rectum is given in your textbook only. So I'm showing that here. mm, where you will find means here latus rectum is equal to. So here, what is the value of lateral rectum? I will tell you here only the page number. You will go there, page number 138. So please go through there. So there you find that L dash is equal to, so L dash is equal to 2b square by a. 2b square by a. So this is a like lattice rectum of standard form. Okay. So please find out this one. So this is very very important. After that 4.1.9 is also there. Now that is note. So please practice once there also. And here nothing more that such that the formula is given, lattice rectum like diagram also is given 4.1.8 there na. So you will you please watch this also and you practice once on the paper also, so it will become easy to understand. And up to this is will conclude here, or else one thing, the one thing is there, so that I want to tell you, sir. uh, Whenever the question is asked in the angles to do in the solution in the angles, it will become x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. So this is x comma y, like we can write it as in the form of a cos theta plus, sorry, a cos theta comma b sin theta. So this is the in the angles form. Whenever if you he asked us to find in the angles, so we have to use this one. um, Anything more? So notation is there, please practice that notation. S1 and S1 and S12 and S11 are given in this note. Which one though? Note that one, 1.1.4. So this is 1.1.4. This is notes also very very important. Please practice that also. So all are over here, and after that this 1.1 4.1.16 is there na? There is a solved problems are there. Solved problems very very important. Every problem you do, okay. Every problem you have to do here. Second problem very very important, and third problem, fourth problem are very very important here. So fourth problem also very very important for 2 marks or 4 marks. 4 marks I told you na. So I didn't told you that here 4 plus 4 marks. Total 8 marks maximum will cover from this chapter. So here I will write here 4 plus 4 is equal to maximum 8 marks will come from this chapter maximum. Okay. Now here Varna, so how many solved problems are there? Up to 8 solved problems are there. 8 solved problems are, every problem is important in that area. So please practice every solved problem as much as possible. Okay na? So don't leave them as like directly. So it is my humble request, practice more, then only you will get good marks. So my our target is 75 compulsory. So see here, maths where you will get the compulsory marks of 75 compulsory. If in case a chemistry or physics you will lose some 1 or 2 marks, but in the theory like writing process. But here maths you will get compulsory good marks, compulsory 75 marks from this one. So that's why practice here as much as possible to get 150 marks compulsory here. Okay, na? So paper 1, paper 2, so compulsory will get 150 marks. Please practice as much as possible with the pen on the paper. Compulsory. It is need, okay, to get the 75 marks. Thank you. So we'll start with the first question here, section 1. So here I forgot to tell that here S is a focus. S is a focus here. So this please don't forget this one. S is a focus. P is a x comma y any point on this ellipse. We can take that like also. So here first question will start. Now here first question is in the section 1 first question is find the equation of the ellipse. He asking us to find the equation of ellipse with the focus at 1 comma minus 1. So here focus at 1 comma minus 1 E is equal to given. I told you already you will give eccentricity and the directrix as x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 he is given here. Solution here, so focus s is given here, focus s is given 1 comma minus 1 is given here, and e also is given as a 2 by 3 is given here question, and the directrix 1 directrix is given here as x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is given here. The three values here given, so we'll do using the formula of like SP is equal to E into PM. I told you already now. So this in this form you will use. Okay. So here directrix already we know that directrix is given here. I told you this one. This is P. This is perpendicular to P is perpendicular to M. No. So here we have to take PM. So this is P. This is focus here. Okay. So this is S. And we'll use the formula and we'll do the solution here. And let here P x comma y. We'll think that okay one point on the any point on the ellipse here. We'll think that this one. So by the definition, this is a definition. We'll take the here SP is equal to E into PM. Here squaring on both sides. We'll do the squaring on both sides. We'll do so it will become what will come here SP square is equal to E square into PM whole square. So SP distance between these 2 points. What is S here? S is 1 common. P is x. This is 1 here. So what will come here? What will come here? SP square is equal to means x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square because this is a x comma y no, so this is minus 1 minus into minus plus will come here, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to e is equal to how much here 2 by 3 no, so this 2 by 3 will whole square is equal to 4 by 9 will come into pm, so it is pm, so it is perpendicular to directrix m no, so thus will come will take it as I say x plus y plus 2 divided by under root of 1 plus 1, so this will come here whole square. So here anything there to do here? Here much is there to do. This will x square minus 2x plus 1 will come here y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to this is 4 by 9 into x plus y plus 2 whole square divided by 2 will come here. Okay na? 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So this 9 will goes to the left side of the equation, it will multiply here. Okay, multiply there. So multiply means 9 into x square, 9x square minus 9 into 2x, 18x plus 9 1 ja 9 plus 9y square will come plus 18y will come plus 1 is equal to this 2 into x plus y plus 2 whole square will come. So this is a plus b plus c whole square na. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. I am writing here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca na. So in this we'll submit the values. Okay, so we'll get the answer of this right side. Right side I'm writing here. So here 2 into x square plus y square plus 4 will come. Okay, so 2ab 2ab means 2 into ab, so means here 2 into xy 2 into xy will come. So after that 2 yz, y means ab, bc means 2bc means 2bc means b is equal to how much? Y into 2 2 ja, here 2 will be there, 2 2 ja 4 plus another thing will come as a 2z will 4z will come here. So this is will get from this one. So 2x square plus 2y square, if we multiply this one, so it will become okay 2y square plus 8 plus 4xy plus 8y plus 8z will come here. 8z will come here. So this is will come here 4x plus 4y 8z. I'm sorry friends, this is not z actually. This is 2. I'm getting forgot. This is 4 for like x 8x will come here. 8x. I will erase and I will write again neatly. So here 8x will come. Sorry. In the fast while going fast it will take a wrong mistake here. This is 4x here. This is plus 8x here. Okay. 8x will get here. So total value we got from this two here to here. Okay na. So we'll do in this one. This total equation we got from this here area. So from this we got total value I wrote here in this page. So it will become minus 2x square 9x square. 9x square minus 2x square is equal to 7x square will come here. Okay. Here 9y square plus minus 2y square is equal to plus 7y square will come here. And after that x is any there. So 8x it will come to the left side of the equation. So it will become minus. So minus 18 minus 8 minus 26 x will come here. And again here y 8y there, 8y here plus 18 there plus 18y. So minus 8 here आए so here minus 18y minus 8y is equal to plus 10y will come here. And again what will remain here? 9 plus 9 18 there, 18 minus here 8 there, 8 there na? So 19 minus 8 is equal to 18 minus 9 8 is equal to plus 10. And again one thing is there na, this is minus 4xy will come here, minus 4xy is equal to 0. If we write the 7x square minus 4xy plus 7y square minus 26x plus 10y plus 10 is equal to 0, we can write this is also here. So this is the answer of this given first question here. Now moving to the next question, second one, that is very important also here. Now this is second question students, this is very important. Find the equation of the ellipse. So he asking us to find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. In the standard form is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. No? This is standard form. And which and whose distance between the four keys is 2 here. Solution here, distance between the uh, four keys. Four key is 2 is given. And length of the lattice rectum is given. Length of lattice rectum. Lattice rectum is given 15 by 2 is given here. So what is length of lattice rectum is actually I told you already that is LL dash is equal to 2b square by, so 2b square by a. This one I already told you. We have to use this formula. Okay, whenever we get the lattice rectum. So this second question, uh, guys, where I'm looking means here 142 page number. Okay, there is a solve problem 2. Solve problem 2. There you will find this type of question. Okay, na? So please go through that one. Where this given length of the lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by a is given. Okay, na? So that I am using here. And after that, what is given here? That is but b square minus a square into b square is equal to a square into 1 minus c square. Na? So if from that we will find a value. So we need to find the a square value and b square value. No? So we'll get like that only. So first from this 2b square by a is equal to, so given what lattice rectum is 15 by 2 is given. Okay na. So here it will become b square is equal to, from this b square is equal to, this is 15a will come here cross multiplication to, and 2 will come this downside, it will become 4 will come here. B square is equal to how much? 15a into 15a by 4 will come here. 15a by 4. And after that, so what is given here, like we need to find the a square also, no? So here a square also, b square we got here and a square also we got, then we submit the a value in this one, we'll get the answer. So how we'll find out the a value here? That's we'll do here. Okay now. So here b square is equal to, actually, so what we can take it as, b square is equal to e into 1 minus e square. A square into 1 minus e square, we can take this all this here. So from this b square is equal to a square multiplying him here, and a square minus a square, e square will also come here. B square is equal to a value we don't know, so a square, a e we know, so that is foggy a e is equal to manam we can take it as, so here what is that length of the distance between the foci here. So my distance between the foci also is given here. Na? That is the distance between the foci is that example is given there. Na? That solve problem is 142 page number. Their distance between the foci is s is equal to ae comma 0, s dash is equal to. So here I am writing ae comma 0. This is s, and this is s dash is equal to minus ae comma 0. This distance between these two is 2a, e will come here. So is given that there only. Okay, na? So that value is given as a 2. We'll find here uh, 2 AE is equal to 2. So we'll get cancelled. So A is equal to 1 will come here. A is equal to 1. This AE will submit in this equation. So A square minus AE, this is A square E square na. So we can write it as AE whole square. So means 1 whole square, because B square is equal to A square minus 1 will come here. Actually B is equal to, will submit in this equation, this one. Okay. So I'm submitting in that one. So we'll get the answer here. So what is that here, like b square is equal to, will I'm submit in the b square plus a, will submit this one, a square minus 1 is equal to 15a divided by 4 will come. 15a divided by 4 will come here. So if we, this 4 I will take to the left side of dictionary with multiplication, 4a square minus 4 is equal to 15a will come. 15a will come inside, it will become 4a square minus 15a minus 4 is equal to 0. If we do factorization, though, it will become 4a square minus what we can take, minus a na, so no, plus a, and minus 16a minus 4 is equal to 0 will come. So 4 sorry, in this a I will come on to, in this a will come on to 4a plus 1 will remain here, minus 4 I will come on to what will here remain, so 4a plus 1 will remain is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 4, and b is equal sorry, a is equal to one thing come as minus 1 by 4 here. Okay, so a square is equal to how much will come, 16. So a square also we got, and b square also will we a value, a is equal to 4. I will submit in this one, so we'll get the b value also. So b square is equal to what, 15a by 4, no, a is equal to how much, 4, 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja will get cancelled. So what will become, b is b square is equal to 15 will come. So what is the standard form? Okay, standard form what is, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, no? So in this we'll submit the x square by a square is equal to how much we got, 16, plus b square is equal to how much we got, 15, y square by 15 is equal to 1. So this is the solution here. Okay, this is the standard form of equation of ellipse. He asking us to find out that only, equation of ellipse in the standard form. Now moving to the third question. Now, my dear students, that question is given that find the equation of ellipse in the standard form he asking us to find. Now, such that distance between the foci is 8 and distance between the directrix is given here now. Now, solution here, differences between the foci already will know 2a, 2ea is equal to, or anything is equal to 8, we already got here. Now, distance between the directrix he is saying that, he asking us to find. I told you that direct distance between the directrix x is equal to a by e, I think I told you. So this is only I told you. So here distance between these two terms, he asking us to distance now. So it will become 2a by e will come here. Okay, distance between the directrix is 2 into a by e will come here. So means 2 into a by e is equal to, he is given as 32. 32. So this is one equation will think that, this is the second equation will think that too. So here 2 1 ja 2 16 ja will goes here, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja will goes here. AE is equal to 4 will come, and A by E is equal to 16 will come. So this is one already we know na. This is two already na. So we'll do one thing here. We multiply this 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2 multiply. So AE into A by E is equal to 4 into 16 will come here. So E will get cancelled. A into A square is equal to 16 4 ja 64 will come here. So in the standard form, a square we got here. What is the standard form? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 na? So in this we got a square is equal to we got. Now what we have to find here, and b square also here we have to find here. Now here if we have to find b square, so b square is equal to, already we know that a square into 1 minus e square. Okay na? So b square is equal to a square is equal to how much? 64 into 1 minus e square is equal to, so or else we multiply this one here. We'll do this one. So I'm erasing this one. We'll do one thing. Here b square is equal to a square. I'm multiplying with this one. A square minus e square. Sorry, a square minus a square, e square will come here if I multiply this. So b square is equal to a square value we know 64 minus ae whole square is equal to how much here? Ae is equal to 4. Ae is equal to 4 we'll get from this one. Okay, this first equation. Already we did here, no? So ae means 4 square will come here. B square is equal to 64 minus 4 for just 16 means 48 will come here. So where B square is equal to. So A square we got and B square we got. And standard form is what? This one. So we can substitute in this one, x square by A square is equal to 64 plus y square divided by B square is equal to 48 is equal to 1 is the answer here. 1 is the answer. So now moving to the next question. So dear students, fourth question is given that find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Means E we have to find in the standard form. If its length of the lattice rectum is equal to the half of this major axis. So what is the major axis here? 2a, we know already. What is the lattice rectum here? Lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by a. So he given these two things, and he's saying that these are equal. Okay, equal half of its major axis. So means solution here, what will come here? So 2b square divided by a is equal to half divided by half into 2a will come here. Half of the its major axis he told, no? So half of the major axis is 2a. So this is a lattice rectum, this is a major axis. Okay, na? Major axis is 2a and minor axis is what? 2b. So this already we discussed here. And here what we have to do here, so it will goes here and will come here, it will become 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled here. 2b square is equal to a square will come here. 2b square is equal to a square will come. This 2 will goes here, it will become a square by b square. Actually b square is equal to what? A square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, no? Okay, 1 minus e square, no? So b square is equal to this, from this we will write it as b square is equal to a square by 2. So it is a square by 2 I am writing here is equal to a square 1 minus e square will come. So a square will get cancelled. So what will remain here? 1 minus e square is equal to 1 by 2 will remain. So what we have to find? E value, eccentricity, e value we have to find. So here this e square will goes their side, this one will go, come his side, and e square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 will come here. 2 1 ja 2. So 2 1 2 minus 1 1 1 by 2 will come. E square is equal to, and e is equal to 1 by under root will come here. This is eccentricity of this given question here. We have to find this one. So this is answer. Please practice more, then we will get understand. B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square is we have to find, we have to remind this one to find the b value or a value or e value eccentricity. And here again center of the standard form here 0 comma 0 and focus is like he will give like ae comma 0 for this one. Says one s dash also is given f1 ae comma 0. This type of formulas you have to remember compulsory, then only you will find the answers easily. Okay na? Now moving to the fifth one. Now here fifth question is given that students, very important this question, please concentration on this one. The distance of the point on the ellipse is given here, ellipse, this ellipse, and from its center is equal to 2. Then find the eccentric angles. I told you angles x is equal to like a cos theta comma y is equal to b sin theta. I already told you these two things, so we have to find. Now solution here, actually what is given, equation is given, so that is x square plus 3y square is equal to 6. From this we will find the standard form like x square by 6 plus y square by 3 2 ja 6, no, is equal to 1. So this will come to 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja is will come. That's why y square. So here a square is equal to what will come here? Uh, a square is equal to a is equal to this is a square is equal to 6 and from this a is equal to root 6 and b square is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 2 will come here. A and b values will come here like this. Now solution here, uh, what he saying that what he asking distance of the point of the ellipse and from its center to this angle say intercept say, eccentric angles, so is equal to 2. He saying that is equal to 2. See center is he how much here 0 comma 0 already we know no. So p point will think that as like eccentricity angles like a cos theta comma what is that b sin theta no, so b sin theta. So distance between these two things cp square is equal to distance of this point to ellipse no. So here what will come here up to means here c is cp is equal to cp square is equal to actual distance between these two things is equal to 2 no, equal to 2. Cp square is equal to 2 square will come from this cp square is equal to 4 will come. So distance between these two things cp, so will come as like what will come here distance between these two things means uh, here a cos theta plus b sin theta is there na? So b sin theta in the a place root 6 there na, and b place root 2 there na. So here we'll do that thing here. So what will come here means it will become cp whole square under root of x minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square na. It will become 6 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta will come here is equal to 4. Sir, how it will come, sir? Means it is distance between x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square means this is x2, x2 is equal to in this place and minus x1, x1 is 0. So here this will come root 6 cos theta will come. Root square will get cancelled, cos square theta will remain. This 6 is cos square theta, like that only 6 sin, 2 sin square theta will remain here. Okay, now so here I will do one thing here 6 into 1 minus sin square theta will write plus 2 sin square theta will come here is equal to 4 is equal to 4 and here 6 1 ja 6 6 is sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta will come is equal to 4 and here this minus 6 square minus 2 is equal to minus 4 and this 4 6 will goes outside, it will become minus 4 sin square theta will come here is equal to this is minus 2 will come, minus minus will get cancelled and sin square theta is equal to what will come 2 by 4 will come. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja will come here 2 1 ja 2 2 ja sin theta is equal to under 1 by under root of 2 will come plus or minus. So theta values will come as theta where will come here theta is equal to 1 by 2 will come pi by 4 means pi by 4 ante so 45 will come na, so 45 degrees at the 45 degrees will come 45 degrees pi by 4 or 45 degrees. So and another angles are like 3 pi by 4 will come and again, so this I did in my rough note. So other values you will find okay where for minus 1 by 2 2 these values you will find in the your rough work. Check the one, check the like which angles will cover this minus sin theta will come sin theta, so there you will find minus will come this. Okay, now I'm going to the next question, that is sixth one here. Now sixth question is find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. So solution here he asking us to find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. He asking us to find in this form. So he's saying again if it passes through the these 2 points means he's saying that this standard form passes through these one equations. So we'll do we'll submit this first point and second point in this equation like ellipse equation ellipse standard form solution here. So first minus 2 comma 2 we'll submit in this equation, so it will become um in the x square place no, so it will become 4 by a square plus this is 2 square means it is also 4 4 means 4 will come 4 by b square is equal to 1 will come. This is from here we'll do one thing. Mm, 1 by a square is there, na? So we'll take it as a not x p will take 1 by b square is equal to q I will take here. So it will become 4p plus 4q is equal to 1 will come here. This is one I will think that. I will submit this 3 comma minus 1 also in this standard form. So it will become 3 3 are 9 divided by a square will come plus and minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 only come. It will become b square is equal to 1. So here it will become, I will take this same as 1 by a square is equal to, I already taken a p, 9p plus uh, 1q. 1q is equal to 1. So this is, I will take it as 2. So solving 1 and 2, it will become 4p plus 4q is equal to 1. And if we multiply with this 4 though, so I will cancel q here. So 4 9 ja 36p plus 4 into q 4q and is equal to 4 1 ja 4 will come here. So minus 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 these two will get cancelled here. This will become minus 32p. 32p is equal to minus 3 will come. Minus 3. So minus minus will get cancelled and p is equal to will get as 3 by 32 will get here. So p is equal to how much we get? P is equal to 32. So again what we have to get q value also. I will submit this into the second equation, that is 9p. P plus in this I will write 3 by 32 and plus q is equal to 1. So 9 7 ja 9 3 ja 27. 27 will goes here and it will become q is equal to 1 minus and 27 divided by 32 will come. 32 1 ja 32 and q is equal to 32 minus 27 is equal to how much will come? 5. 5 by 32 will come. Actually what is p is equal to? P is equal to 1 by a square, no? So we'll submit it this, these values in that one. So then we'll get the answer here. And x square in the one x square in the p place I write it 3 by 32 plus y square I will write it is 5 by 32 is equal to 1, no? So here this is 3x square by 32 plus 5y square by 32 is equal to 1. What is the LCM here? LCM is 32. So it will become 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32 will come here. So this is the answer of sixth question in the standard form. Okay, now moving to the next question, seventh one. Now seventh question is, my dear friends, if the ends of the major axis an ellipse are 5 comma 0 and minus 5 comma 0, then find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form he asking us to find. If its focus lies on this line, focus on this line. Solution here. Actually, what is focus? What is focus? Focus is AE comma 0, na? Okay, this is lies on this one. He's saying that. So, sir, where is you having this one focus is means here 132 page number in the last bottom of this 132 page you will find coordinates of focus SR AE comma 0, this one. Okay. Now here 3x minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0, no? So this is given question, no? Okay, 9 is given question, no? I am checking once again. 9 only. So here again he given the major axis ellipse. He is given endpoints. Endpoints 5 comma 0 is given and minus 5 comma 0 is given. So a comma 0 minus a comma 0, so it will become 2a will come here like, okay na. So this will come distance between these two things. Okay. Here what we have, only a is equal to 5 and a is equal to minus 5 again here. So these two values we got here, we having here. And once this is minus a actually, so minus a is equal to this one, minus a is equal to, so this we have here. Now from this uh, so we'll submit this is in the equation first, or else we'll take some values here like um, some we can do in like different ways. I will take like first I will take b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay, 1 minus e square, where a value I know a value is equal to, I know na, a is equal to 5 I will take here. B square is equal to 5 square into 1 minus e square. Okay, 1 minus e square, and he's saying that this point lies on this one, no? So I will do this one also here. It will become 3 into ae minus 5 into 0 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 3 AE will come minus 9 is equal to 0. So 9 will goes here. 3 AE is equal to 9 and AE is equal to 9 divided by how much will come here? 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So AE is equal to 3 will come here. AE. So from this we'll do here one thing. Mm. So from here A is equal to 3 no. So A value we know already 5. So it will become E is equal to 3 by 5 will come here. So this 3 by 5 will submit in this one. B square is equal to 5 square 25 will come here. 1 minus E square. E square means 3 by 5 whole square will come. So 25 into 1 minus this is 9 divided by 5 5 ja 25 will come. 25 1 ja 25. 25 minus 9 16. 25 into 16 by 25 will come. So 25 1 ja 25 1 ja get cancel. B square is equal to 16 will get. B square is equal to 16 and A square is equal to A is equal to 5 already know and A square is equal to 25 will get. So he asking us to find the like major axis in the find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 no. So in this x square divided by a square is equal to 25 plus y square divided by b square is equal to 16 is equal to 1. So this is the standard form of the given question asking us question. Now this is the end of the seventh question. Now moving to the eighth question. Now eighth question is if the length of the major axis of an ellipse is 3 times the length of the its minor axis, then find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Here ellipse is already we know, so this question is in the different way. The length of the major axis of an ellipse. Okay, what we can take major axis? What is major axis? We'll take that after that. Major axis is equal to 3 times of the minor axis. Minor axis. 3 times of the minor axis he's saying. So what is major axis? 2a na? Already we know. So what is minor axis? 3 into 2b. 2b this also we know here. And what we can say here 2a is equal to 3 into b. So 2 2 will get cancelled here. A is equal to 3b will get here. A is equal to 3b. So he asking us to find the eccentricity. He asking us to find eccentricity. So here we'll do squaring for this one. Squaring on both sides we'll do here. It will become a square is equal to 9b square will come here. And what is b square is equal to? B square is equal to a square into what we can say that a square into 1 minus e square no. So this will come 1 minus e square will come here. In the b square place I will write a square by b square like a square by 9. A square by 9 is equal to a square into 1 minus e square will come. So a square will get cancelled. It will become uh, what will become? It will come here. Mm, 1 minus e square is equal to 1 by 9 will come here. 1 by 9. And again we'll do one thing here. E square will take this side and 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to I will take here. So it will become 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to e square will come. 9 1 ja 9. 9 minus 1 8. 8 by 9 is equal to e square. 1 by sorry 8 by uh, what is this 8 by 9 is equal to e square. So e square is equal to 8 by 9 no. So e is equal to under root of 8 by 9 will come here. So this root 8 by root 9 will come. So root 9 is equal to 3. This is 2 to the 4. 4 root 2 means 2 root 2 will come here. This is e is equal to 2 root 2 by 3 will come. So this is end of this question here. Now guys, all 8 questions are completed here. 8 questions. 8 questions are section 1. 8 questions are completed here. Now section 2 I will submit I will upload soon as possible. I will upload daily one video compulsory for your for up to board exam and you have to practice more that only you have to practice. I try to maximize my videos like lengthy videos. I will explain each and every corner like to help you so you don't have to get doubts again. Okay now. So I'm trying very much to give you best questions, best answers because it is time taking process. Every question will take up to 6 to 8 minutes to 10 minutes time also will take. So in this video only, its introduction will it took up to 12 to 13 minutes. Okay, so this type will take lot of time to get the small introductions. Okay, na? So nothing this and so please practice more here. That's only my more important thing I want to tell you. So please do guys share my videos and with your friends. Okay, and thank you. Subscribe my channel. I don't want to tell you before that only. So if you like, compulsory you will subscribe my channel. So I will bring more and more videos for your like you you get 75 marks in your board exams. This is my aim to get you. And I will try to include some important MSET questions and again IIT questions for you in the recent coming future. So I will bring you best videos for you guys. Intermediate, it is कंपलसरी easy होना 75 marks getting easy होना मेरा मेरा like I'm trying to this one for you. Okay, so every question please practice. Solve problems are very important. Solve problems and every chapter every exercise problem also important. Please practice this also. Now I'm ending this. Please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends also. Thank you guys.